fantastic puzzle game awaits the unveiling. Dive into a magical world where puzzles hold the key to an incredible story. Each puzzle in this extraordinary game is designed to test your intellect, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Prepare to be amazed by stunning graphics and immersive visuals. As you solve each puzzle, you'll uncover breathtaking landscapes, mysterious cities, and mind-boggling contraptions. It's like stepping into a work of art. Get ready for challenges that will leave you astounded and addicted. This fantastic puzzle game combines logic, strategy, and lateral thinking, making each level a unique adventure. As you progress, the puzzles become more complex, keeping you engaged. Every puzzle brings an element of surprise. Unpredictable twists and unexpected solutions await, keeping you on your toes. With clever surprises at every turn, you'll find yourself saying, "Just one more level." Join a vibrant community of like-minded puzzle enthusiasts. Engage in forums, exchange tips, and enhance your gaming experience with discussions. It's not just about solitary gameplay. The developers are committed to providing a fresh and exciting experience. Regular updates introduce new challenges, ensuring that you always have something new to look forward to. Play the fantastic